2019 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, electronic stability control, security system, power windows, compass, trip computer, bed liner, CD player, fog lights, overhead console, tachometer, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel. Come see the car for yourself.